Nothing gold can stay. We'll be old someday and waste our lives away, waiting for life to get better.
Is this your first time in Madrid, or maybe you just want to know the typical places where to eat? In this video, I'm gonna show you 7 representative places in Madrid where you can have lunch, dinner, or just try the typical Spanish foods that they have.
Buenísimo.
And if you think these types of videos help you in your planning before you come to Spain, then give it a like, share and subscribe. It helps us a lot in making more content like this.
Hi everyone, we're in front of the Mercado de San Anton in Madrid, so it's one of the most representative markets in Spain, and you must come here and try its delicacies and see what it holds inside. So if you follow me in this video, you'll see what you can find there.
The San Anton Market, located in the Chueca neighborhood of Madrid, is a popular gastronomic place that combines the tradition of Spanish markets with a modern and varied selection of foods. The original building dates back to the 19th century and has been renovated to meet the current needs. The market houses various stands offering fresh products to buy, as well as tapas, international cuisine, and local specialities to enjoy. From seafood and cured meats to vegetarian and gourmet options, there is something for everyone. Leaving behind the San Anton market and strolling through the busiest streets of this area, I'm talking of course about the Fuencarral and Hortaleza street, we find a great variety of shops with traditional products, as well as a wide range of modern pastry shops. We stopped at a place that sold cinnamon rolls, which were spectacular. And even though this establishment isn't on the list, it's a great example of what you might find while wandering through the streets of Madrid. Our next stop is the Churreria San Ginés, and is one of the most emblematic places in Madrid. It is famous for its delicious churros, served crispy and freshly fried, accompanied by thick hot chocolate. Founded more than 100 years ago, in 1894, it has maintained its popularity over the years, becoming a symbol of Madrid's culture. This churreria retains a classic atmosphere, with decor that evokes past eras, adding a nostalgic touch to the experience. Between the Puerta del Sol and Plaza Mayor, there's another gem of Madrid's culinary tradition. In the most traditional area of Madrid, you'll find Mantequería Bermejo. It's an iconic shop, known for its wide selection of gourmet products and its focus on traditional Spanish goods, especially mantecados and polvorones. To try one of the most typical dishes of Spanish cuisine, the tortilla de patatas or the potato omelette, you need to walk around the Malasaña neighborhood.
Hi everyone, we're in front of one of the best tortilla de patatas restaurant in Madrid. It's called Pez Tortilla and it's in the Pez Street, and we're about to go inside to see their variety and what they have to offer. And if you come to Spain and Madrid, of course, do come to this place because you will enjoy it very much.
Pez Tortilla is a very popular bar and restaurant in Madrid, specializing in potato omelets or tortillas, prepared in various ways, offering both classic and more innovative versions. It's famous for its juicy texture and homemade flavor. Another of the Spain's traditional sweets, typically enjoyed at Christmas but available year-round in special shops, is the turrón. It's a symbol of Spanish culture and a traditional gift during the holidays, perfect to enjoy with family and friends. The main ingredients of these sweets are almonds, honey and sugar, though they have evolved into bolder flavors like donut or lollipop turron. You can sample or buy them at many Vicens and 1880 shops found throughout central Madrid. The Museo del Jamón restaurants are a chain of establishments in Madrid that celebrate the culture of Iberian ham and other Spanish cured meats.
So we're in front of a museum, but not just any museum, the Museum of Jamón. So you know that jamón is very typical in Spain, and these shops in Spain and in Madrid are very, very famous. So if you come here, they sell like everything from pork, but the most typical thing is the jamón, and their jamón is excellent. And if you come here, you'll love it very, very much.
The concept centers on promoting jamón iberico, offering a culinary experience that includes tasting. Their selection includes a variety of jamón iberico, cured meats, traditional tapas, and typical Spanish dishes. You can purchase their products or enjoy them at their bar or restaurant. I recommend you trying a plate or a sandwich of jamón with a caña, a small beer. It is heaven. If you've had enough of jamón, although in my opinion there's never enough, remember that Madrid offers a wide variety of culinary selection, and you must try the famous Madrid calamari sandwich before leaving the city. It is the most traditional thing every tourist should do in Madrid. The most famous calamari sandwich in the city is at El Brillante restaurant, located near the Atocha station. It's very convenient for those arriving or departing from the city. Its location also makes it accessible for tourists exploring this area. So these are one of the 7 most iconic places to enjoy Madrid's cuisine, and don't worry about their names, you'll have the links in the description below. From delicious tapas at the San Anton market to the famous calamari sandwich at El Brillante, Madrid offers a unique culinary experience you cannot miss. Enjoying Madrid and its gastronomy with these bars and restaurants, you won't be disappointed. My name is Alex Moraras. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, share, and definitely subscribe to find out more amazing places to visit before you come to Spain.